In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write plus minus and minus plus in Word. These mathematical symbols are commonly used in academic writing, technical documents, and reports, where precise notation is important. Whether you are preparing a mathematics assignment, writing a scientific paper, or simply adding specialized symbols to a document, Microsoft Word includes built-in tools that make inserting these characters quick and straightforward. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the simple process of adding the plus minus and minus plus symbols directly into your document using Word's equation tools. To get started, open Microsoft Word on your computer and load the document where you want to place the symbols. Once your file is open, navigate to the section of the document where the symbol should appear. Positioning your cursor in the correct location first helps ensure that the symbol is inserted exactly where it belongs within your text. If you have not written the surrounding content yet, you may also take a moment to plan the layout of your document so the symbols integrate smoothly with the rest of your material. With the document ready, move your attention to the ribbon at the top of the Word interface. Here, you will find several tabs that control different tools and features. Click on the Insert tab. This section provides access to many elements that can be added to your document, including tables, images, links, charts, and mathematical expressions. It serves as the main gateway for inserting content beyond standard text. Within the Insert tab, locate the area dedicated to equations. Select the Equation option to open the Equation feature in Microsoft Word. Once activated, a gallery will appear containing a variety of mathematical structures and symbols. This built-in equation system is designed to help users easily include professional mathematical notation without needing external tools or complex formatting. Inside the Equation interface, look for the Symbols group. In this section, you will find a collection of mathematical characters, including both the plus-minus symbol and the minus-plus symbol. These symbols are frequently used in fields such as mathematics, physics, and engineering, where they can represent variation, uncertainty, or alternative values. When you locate the symbol you need, simply click on it. Word will instantly insert the symbol at the exact position of your cursor within the document. After inserting the symbol, you can continue typing your text or add additional mathematical symbols if necessary. The Equation feature also offers many other tools that allow you to format expressions, build equations, and improve the overall presentation of technical content in your document. By using these built-in tools, you can easily enhance your Microsoft Word documents with accurate mathematical notation, helping your work appear clearer, more professional, and more polished. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.